Alright. Concrete's going in. Tons of it thick at the bottom. Water at the top so I can level it out. And that's it. A lot of cement dust here. Should have worn a mask. Always wear a mask. Yeah. I think he did this bit first. Yeah, he did. There's me tampering away. Need to get that all in there. It actually turned out that when I finished this,